Oil leaks around the oil cooler lines are more than just an inconvenience. They can lead to oil loss, engine mess, and long-term reliability issues if left unresolved. These AC Delco GM original equipment engine oil cooler line connectors are designed to provide tight, leak-free connections between the oil cooler lines, the engine, and the cooler itself. Built to the same standards as the original factory components, they help restore proper sealing and peace of mind under the hood. Manufactured from corrosion-resistant materials, these connectors are designed to help prevent rust and deterioration over time, even in harsh engine bay environments. This durability is critical for components that are constantly exposed to heat, oil, moisture, and road debris. As GM recommended replacement parts, they deliver the quality, reliability, and service life you expect from genuine GMOE components. Each connector is manufactured to precise GMOE specifications for fit, form, and function. This ensures proper thread engagement, correct sealing surfaces, and reliable performance once installed. Using original equipment connectors helps avoid common issues seen with poorly matched aftermarket fittings, such as improper sealing, thread damage, or premature leaks. When installed correctly, these connectors provide a secure connection that supports consistent oil flow to and from the oil cooler. Installation is straightforward for compatible GM vehicles, especially when replacing worn or leaking original fittings during routine maintenance or oil cooler line service. Care should be taken to torque the fittings properly, as over-tightening can damage surrounding components. When installed with attention to specifications, these connectors offer dependable, long-term performance. Before purchasing, confirm compatibility with your specific GM vehicle to ensure correct fitment. If you are addressing oil cooler line leaks and want a factory-correct solution you can trust, these AC Delco GM original equipment connectors are a smart choice. Check the link in the video description to learn more and purchase the product, and subscribe to the channel to discover more reliable GM replacement parts and automotive maintenance solutions.